morning students, myself Swati Thakre, your science teacher. So students, what we have seen in the previous session? In previous session we have seen that, we have performed the practical number 1. I hope you all get this practical. So let us forward to the next practical, that is experiment number 2. The aim for the practical is to determine the temperature of hot water. So students, here one term comes, that is temperature. So what do you mean by the temperature? Yes, anybody knows what do you mean by the temperature? As we have seen this term in the lesson number 4 here. So students, see what is temperature? Temperature means the degree of hotness or coldness. Okay, so what is temperature? The degree of hotness or coldness means how much hot is water or how much hot is oil, whatever may be the liquid. This we have to prove that from this experiment. Okay students, now the unit for measuring the temperature is degree Celsius. What is the unit for measuring the temperature is degree Celsius. There are also other units which are those students, degree Fahrenheit and Kelvin. Okay, but commonly degree Celsius unit is used for measuring the temperature. Also the SI unit for the temperature is Kelvin. Okay, so students, here we have to determine the temperature of hot water. But how we have to determine? For that purpose we require a device which measures the temperature of hot water. So what is that? See, the device which measures the temperature of hot water is known as thermometer. Okay students, so there are more than 2 to 3 or hundreds of thermometers. So what are those types of thermometer? Bimetal thermometer, alcohol thermometer, digital thermometer. But for performing the practical, we use the laboratory thermometer. Which thermometer students? Laboratory thermometer. So the laboratory thermometer have the range minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. This also we seen for performing the practical. Okay students, what is the range for the lab thermometer? Minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Okay, the thermometer which is used by the doctor, that thermometer is known as clinical thermometer. That clinical thermometer is not used over here while performing the practical or any measuring temperature. We cannot use the clinical thermometer. Only laboratory thermometer is used for measuring the hot water. Okay students, also you know that the 0 degree Celsius is equal to 273 Kelvin. This we have seen in theory. Okay students, so this is all about the central idea behind this practical. Now we will perform the practical, but before performing that practical, you should know what kind of materials are required for that purpose. Okay students, so here are the materials. The materials required for this practical are thermometer, but the thermometer which we use is a lab thermometer, means which shows the marking of Celsius. That is a Celsius thermometer having range minus 10 degrees Celsius to 110 degrees Celsius. Second, beaker, 160 beaker is used over here, hot water and stand. These four are the requirements which are required for this practical. Okay students, so after performing practical, what we get or what we observe, that is our observation. Okay, so after performing practical, what will happen? That we will write over here. Okay, and from that we can conclude. But before observation and conclusion, we have to perform the practical. So students, let's start with the practical. Now let us perform the practical. So what are the materials required for practicals? See, this is stand, one thermometer, beaker which is of 100 cc and a hot water in the beaker. Okay students, now what we have to do over here, we have to first hang or suspend this thermometer with the help of this string, okay, or this thread. Now afterwards we have to dip this thermometer into the hot water in such a way that the bulb of the thermometer, that means this end, the bulb of the thermometer should go inside the beaker, okay, inside that hot water. What is the bulb? See these students, this is a bulb side. So this bulb side is go here into the hot water, and here see students, the rise in temperature, this is red color. Red color mercury is here, it is at 60 scale. Now when this mercury becomes stable, at that time we get the exact temperature of this hot water. So here we have to wait for 1 to 2 minutes. But students, before performing this practical, we have to see that whether our mercury is below the 35 degree or not. So first it is, see this is grey color, it is obviously have to the below 35 degree, and afterwards we have to dip it into the hot water, and then we will get the exact hot water temperature, okay. So students, here we get the temperature 60. See students, here mercury is stop over here. So here it is the mark 60. Have you seen over here student, mark 60? So here, see student, this red color mercury, okay. So towards this mark 60, this red color mercury is stopped. So the temperature of this water is 60 degrees Celsius. Now the temperature of our hot water is 60 degrees Celsius. Okay students. So students, from this observation, what we have observed, see students, from this practical, what we have observed, that the mercury which is in red color over there, that mercury in the thermometer has risen up to the level showing, what level shows that thermometer? 60 degree. Okay students. So from that we can conclude that the temperature of hot water is 60 degree Celsius. Okay. So the temperature of hot water is 60 degree Celsius. So students, here we perform this practical to determine the temperature of hot water. So what you have to do? You have to write M, what materials required, procedure, figure, observation and conclusion in your practical activity book. Okay students, so this is assignment for you, and please click the photos